Mule SDK, Java SDK, a simple flowchart to aid with the decision process of how to use POJOs and parameter groups. Here you can see a simple flowchart to aid with the decision process of how to use POJOs and parameter groups. In DSL decision making in Java SDK, in Mule SDK. Here the parameter is connected to is a simple type. If it is yes, then done. If it is not a simple type, then it's connected to can be declared as a global element for templating. If it is yes, it's connected to can be declared as an inline child element. If it is yes, it's connected to annotated the parameter at parameter is and allow inline definition equal true and allow references equal true. Here the parameter as a global element for templating. If it is no, then annotate the parameter at parameter IDs allow references false, and can be declared as an inline child element. If it is no, the annotate the parameter at parameter is allow inline definition equal false and allow references to is true. Now this is the end of my presentation. Thank you very much for watching it.